In this video, I'll show you how to make these amazing oven-baked chicken wings. They're less fat than deep fried, and I think they taste much better.
What you need: raw chicken wings, oven rack, then some kind of oven tray. I like putting tinfoil on because the fat's going to drip and it's just easier to throw out the tinfoil than cleaning. It's a small bowl to mix the cornstarch and flour, a large bowl to mix the wings with the sauce, and then whatever you're going to use for your sauce. So you kind of bread them with this mixture. It's 2 parts flour and 3 parts cornstarch, and I just mix it together. And then dip your raw chicken wings in one at a time. Make sure they're totally covered, and then you just lay them on the rack. All the wings are now covered. So now I put them in the oven at 200 Celsius for 20 minutes. So these have cooked for 20 minutes, and now they need to be flipped.
After the flip, it's top heat broil for 12 minutes.
So now we flip again. Now the bottom is crispy, so I'll put it back in to get the top crispy. So I actually like trying a few different sauces when I do this. So these 3 wings are just Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce, which I really like. So you just put them in this metal bowl and you just mix them around. So these wings have just the buffalo sauce. The next wings are going to have ketchup, barbecue sauce, and buffalo wing sauce. Now it's the same sauce again, but with some sriracha, which makes it really spicy.
And there you go. They're ready to eat.